In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into a shape in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll be able to turn any basic shape into a polished photo cutout, perfect for reports, flyers, or presentations. First, we'll place the shape. Open your document and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click Shapes, then pick the one you want, maybe a rectangle, an oval, or something more decorative like a star. Click and drag on the page to draw it. If you want a perfect circle or square, hold the Shift key as you drag. Don't worry about getting the size perfect right now. You can adjust it later. With the shape still selected, look for the Shape Format tab to appear at the top. If you don't see it, just click the shape once to bring it up. In the Shape Styles group, find the Shape Fill button and click the small arrow next to it to reveal more options. This is where we'll tell Word to use a picture for the fill instead of a solid color. From the drop-down menu, choose Picture. You'll be asked where your image should come from. This device lets you browse your computer, Stock Images gives you curated options built into Word, and Online Pictures lets you search the web safely from within Word. Pick the source you prefer, select the image you want, and click Insert. Instantly, Word fills the inside of your shape with that picture, cropping it to match the outline of the shape. If the image looks stretched or not centered the way you want, you can fine-tune it. Right-click the shape and choose Format Shape to open the formatting pane. Under Fill, look for Picture or Texture Fill, where you'll find controls to adjust how the image sits inside the shape. Try switching between Fill and Fit to decide whether the picture should completely cover the shape or fit entirely without cropping. If part of your subject is cut off, Fit might be the better choice. If you see unwanted borders, Fill usually solves that. You can also use Offset controls to nudge the image inside the shape and a transparency slider if you want a subtle, layered look. If the outline of the shape needs refining, right-click the shape again and choose Edit Points to adjust the shape's path and how the image conforms to it. That's it. Insert the shape, fill it with your picture, and tweak the settings until it looks just right. Pause and try it yourself, and you'll be creating clean, professional photo shapes in no time.